Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to download and install Google Chrome on Linux. First, you need to update the repository packages. Since the Chrome browser is not available in the Linux distro's default repository, we must use the wget command to install Chrome. So, check whether wget was installed before. If wget is not already installed on Ubuntu, install it by typing the following command. Now that your system is ready to install Google Chrome, you need to download the latest stable package of Google Chrome to run Chrome on your system. Next, using the following command that executes the package downloaded in the previous step, we complete the installation of Chrome. Finally, your Linux system is successfully configured to run Google Chrome. Just type Google Chrome in your terminal to launch Google Chrome. To change the default browser to Chrome, you must go to the Activities menu and search for Default Applications, then enter its panel. Then, select Chrome browser as the default browser in the Web section. To uninstall Google Chrome, you need to delete the stable package of the Chrome browser. For this purpose, enter the following command.